Hello, Frankie. Thank you very much for joining the Twindle group. So I'll try to give what's my thought process about this design. Uh, Thank you very much for spending time to creating this very good design. In a first glance, it look very professional, clean, and I am sure that it will grow to a very good design. So the section you have captured appropriately what the sir has come up with the prototype, and it is in the right direction. And this logo you can put as any placeholder, like we are doing some logo contest. Many people are coming up with the design, so once it is finalized we can have one proper demo logo. So this looks good, so maybe you can try with different design little bit, and hover effect and other things, so to look more pleasing to eyes. You can play around with different header style, but it looks good. Line is a little bit thicker, maybe it can be lighter, or you can choose a little bit different style. This would be the for phase 2. We will allow user to enter the tweet URL and click the convert button. But for the fast iteration, like Sarath, I think needs to update that his prototype. The fast iteration will be we'll have an email box, and we'll have a join join to this Twitter group, or so their preference that they want to get notification. So there are two intention about capturing the email address. Once the first objective would be to, once our product is launched, we'll notify them that to give it a try, so that whoever interested they can give it a try. The second biggest and one of the major objective is that it is an open source project meant for beginners. So we should encourage other people to start contributing, joining our group and contributing to this movement. So the second object is more critical. So please highlight in some kind of textual format, use some banner, and come up with this section. And this looks good, but very simple, straightforward. Maybe you can come up with a little bit different design, like to explain this product in a graphical way or illustrative way, so that it will make more sense. And there is one more section I want to add over here, like the testimonial section. For example, whoever user like join to the Twindle group, maybe they are open source contributor or somebody talk about our product, they will give the prominence with the Twitter ID and some kind of testimonial. One more section, and this looks pretty good. Like the color theme, blue color. You can play around with the color theme, but this looks good, professional. Even though you have using a darker color thing, it looks prominently well positioned. So hope you get my feedback. So you can feel free to ask me any questions. So hope I want to see the second iteration real quick, and I'll try to give iteration.